video is about, I'm trying to put interior dash lights, the dome lights, map lights, door lights and stuff. So I got a bunch of good quality LEDs, and did a bunch of research on them. So hopefully these will be good. I got those and these. They all had some pretty decent reviews, so I'm hoping they'll work well. What I want to do is just check out a couple lights on the interior for the instrument cluster. I think that's the main ones I want to do. I'm gonna do that and then do these ones real quick, I think. All right, so I guess just show you what it looks like right now. Orange mostly. I'm gonna do all of them, but not all tonight. Maybe I think I might just start with getting the cluster in and see how that looks. So you need a couple things doing this. It's pretty easy. Got a longer Phillips screwdriver, got a shorter Phillips head, and I just have a small flathead for prying off plastic pieces and whatnot. Not the best thing because it can scrape, but if you have a plastic pry tool, it'd be better. I'm gonna go ahead and start with some of the simpler things. Turn that off. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this dome light. Let's see what's under here. There we go. Just be real nice and gentle with it so it doesn't break. There we go. There's that. Alright, so got that one bulb in there. It's probably hot. Yeah, it's a little hot. I'm gonna go get a rag. Alright. Might get a little dark here. So this is typically a what they call a 194 bulb. Pretty small bulb. Oh, it's hot. Woo, it's hot. Alright. These are the 194 equivalents of the LEDs. So. Alright, let's see how they work. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is hella bright. Holy moly. I can't see. Okay, let's turn that back off. Whew. Okay, these are going to be crazy bright, guys. So, as you can see, there's like two other ones in there. And they're just the map lights, so I'm going to change the map lights out real quick here. Oh, whoa. Look at that. Holy moly. It's like lighting the whole car up. Okay, so now we have light. Guess I can turn the phone light off. This should help us record. Wow. I can see like daylight in here, guys. Let's put that piece of plastic back up. Alright, here we go. Here's this box. These should be, yeah. Alright, so these are T5 or bulbs. That's one of the names they go by, I guess. I'm gonna try to open this plastic again. I hate plastic. What? Just want to open. There we go. Oh crap, I dropped one. No! Where'd it go? Oh, I dropped one. I'll find it later. I should have enough. Now, LEDs, if they don't work the first time, sometimes you have to flip them over because the polarity is not correct. So what I'm going to do is just try one at a time, I guess. So these are pretty easy to take out. You just pop them out like that. And then pop the next one in. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Should have just enough for the cluster. I might have to buy some more for the other ones. They're really inexpensive. If you go to an auto parts store, normal auto parts store, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Pep Boys, stuff like that, most LED lights are going to cost you about $5 to $10 for a pack of 2. I bought this pack of I think 6 for $10, so I think it's totally worth it. Obviously I don't know how well they're going to work yet, but I'm pretty happy with the last ones anyways. The dome lights are bright as hell. Those were also about $10, I think. Yeah, most of them weren't over $10. They were pretty good. And we got one more. Let's see how this looks. See, the thing is with the Prelude, I'm not sure if that orange comes from either from the bulbs or if it comes from like a film or something that's on there. If it's coming from a film, then I guess I'm gonna have to take the film off, otherwise it'll be like mixing colors and won't be as nice as I'm wanting it to. But we're about to find that out, I guess. We're gonna find out very soon here if this is actually what I want. Alright, let's plug it in and see what turns on and what doesn't. It doesn't blow any fuses here. Okay, so one of the bulbs is backwards. So now I got all of them. I don't know, it's like a little purple blue because the needles are red, so it looks a little purplish. I think it's dope. Let me just turn these lights off here. Check it out. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. It's perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. It's not too bright. And I just gotta change all these orange ones here, but it looks like I'm gonna have to get another kit, so I'll show you guys when it's all done there. Got a couple here too. Alright, well, guess I'll just show you guys the doors and it should be it. Look at that. Holy crap, it's so nice. I'm stoked. Okay, so these are the last ones I want to change in the doors here. I don't know if they're going to work just because of the size of these, but this is the one that I was having the hardest time with finding, so let's see if this is the right one. It's supposed to be like a 31mm or a, well, I don't know, it might be too thick. Let's see here. Ooh, that's hot. Yowie! LEDs, man, I tell you. What a pain. Should be worth it though. It looks so much better and there's so much more light produced. What's going on here? Two of them linked together. Yeah. Let me show you. Oh yeah, see, that one's a little bit fatter. Dang, I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna try putting it in there though. Let's see if it fits. Oh, it definitely works. I just don't know if, wow, that's bright. I don't know if it's gonna like push in there. Oh, it will. Holy moly. I tell you, these LEDs are so freaking bright, bro. They're retarded bright. Retarded. Okay, let's see if I can, it's blinding me. Okay. Holy moly. Guess you have no excuse about tripping on your door, bro. Nice. Alright, I'm just gonna throw this bulb in here with these other ones. Alright. Okay, let's check this other one here. Wow, that is bright, bro. Holy moly, like, I cannot believe how bright they are. It's almost too bright. Guess that's what I was going for, huh? Look at that. There's that dim freaking one there. It's so dim. Oh my goodness, it's so much brighter. Let's see here. Try this off. And pop it out. Oh, come on, get out of there. Okay. It's dark. I can't see. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay, come on. Watch out. Get ready to get blinded, people. Holy crap. Holy shit. I can't see. I literally can't see right now. Okay. There we go. I'm going to show you guys this. This is crazy. Look at, like, when the doors are open. You can see it from all the way back here. Look how bright that's crazy. Wow. So it looks like it's just like 2 screws. And 1. And 2. Uh-oh. No! There's a little cover. Nice. Who knows which way we put this in? We're just gonna put it in and see if it works. So, door lights. Very bright. Cluster. It's awesome. It looks great. I love it. And then the dome lights, of course, up here. So bright. That light. So bright. And then I got this one as well. License plate. Looking pretty good. I think I'll probably maybe get some for the turn signals and whatnot. We'll see. But looks pretty great for today.